Hi famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Today we are cooking butter creamy beans, right? These are kidney beans but white in color. So I don't know, I don't know, but I know these are beans and I've cooked them aside already. They are already fine, and yeah, I think they took about 3 hours. Gotta breathe in and out. All right, then our spring onion, not your normal onion. Spring onion, you chop it nicely. I've chopped it already. There's no big deal there, right? These are the dangerous guys. Oh, red flag. You can see that this guy is here to break your feelings. The way he looks. Anyway, we don't throw away food in this channel. You know by now. You just cut the rotten part. We proceed. We proceed. We are not gonna act like coconut unless if you are one. Thou shalt not judge, So you're gonna chop that guy, the red flag guy, chop him. Make sure you chop him, my sister, my brother. Chop her. You have nothing to lose. Huh? She's dangerous, red for danger. They are not lying, right? You see the way I'm chopping? Then we take our green flags. We love green flags. There's our parsley, fresh parsley, of course. Then you chop it nicely. These are the things that you can even plant in your own garden. The little things. There's a fly. Let me deal with it. There was a fly in the house and I don't like flies. Okay, let's proceed. Then you take your butter. Your stove should be low. Very low. Because if you put butter on a high heat, my sister, you'll see hell here on earth, right? Then you're gonna throw in your sprinkled onion. The spring onion, your red flag. Mix them nicely together. At this point, we don't know what you are doing, but at the end of the day, so fig, yeah, nobody can stop me. Who I'm going there. Take that crushed what is this thing? Garlic. You see, ifedile. Dilo di afela, guys. Dilo di afela. Fedile. Tlakancha ka mo. A re tsebe re ya ko kae, but ka mo. Just raw. Wa chela meleke. Put in some milk. Don't ask me. What are you doing? I don't know. I told you that I cook what I have. I opened my fridge and I was like, oh, there's milk. Boil them together. Put them aside, boil them together. Then I took my garlic powder. You find them at any local store, supermarket. And then, they make your food thicker, a bit thicker. Don't put bisto. Is it bisto? It's dark. You can only put it when you are cooking beef or lamb. Where there is no dark color, please avoid using this dark, your cubes dark. And otherwise you're going to, I told you, we don't want food that look like a poison, right? We don't want poisonous food. Otherwise you'll eat alone. Then I also, a little bit of lemon juice. I think lemon juice is the one that made my things look like this. Because lemon doesn't correspond with a lot of things. Especially where there's milk, lemon doesn't, So please avoid using it. But eventually it comes out nice. It's just that it will make them not look nice. And then parsley, you put it at the end because if you overcook it, it's going to turn into a dark color and then it will look like a poison. Then, you see, they are creamy now, almost there. You can eat them with toasted bread. They're another fly. I'm going to deal with you. Toasted bread, they are very nice with toasted bread. You can eat a little bit of mozzarella or your normal cheddar cheese. I didn't have it because this is economy of, under budget. So you can have them maybe with fish. Fish is going to be protein. No, your bread and whatever. Then there we go. Or snack. You can also use them as a snack. I don't know. Lenaba diet. Everybody protein, everybody vital. Like it's never cheap. Thank you very much for watching.